Hi, AT from CNC at Home. Well, it's finally happened. I've gone over 5,000 subscribers. I want to thank absolutely everybody who's watched the videos, supported me over the last 3 years doing my goofy little how-to videos with CNC lasers and routers and that sort of thing. Couldn't have done it without all of your support. What does this mean? It means I need to update my tile or my coaster. This video is going to go through how I did that. I basically just added the line, what does it say? 5,000 subscribers. Just fantastic. Let's get right into that and see how I did it. I have my subscriber tile in the P7 laser. I've used the titanium dioxide compound on the tile, and I'm going to add 5,000 subscriber line. This will be interesting. I will throw this under the microscope as well, and we can compare the difference between the white paint method used for the 1,000 subscribers and the titanium dioxide method used for the 5,000 subscribers. The laser is focused. Let's do a quick frame, make sure it's in about the right spot, and go ahead and do the burn. It looks like I had the optimizing set to do individual things instead of the whole thing at one time, so it's kind of doing each letter at a time, but whatever, it'll still work. Without washing, it looks fantastic. Let's get this titanium dioxide washed off and see what it looks like. At first glance, that looks fantastic. Even second glance, it turned out really nice and dark. It looks better than the other times that I've burned this. We'll get this under the microscope and take a close look. These two should look compatible, but this 5,000 subscriber line using the titanium dioxide looks fantastic. See if we can get zoomed in with the camera a little bit. That's about as close as it's going to let me zoom in and still focus. Why don't I bring the tile closer and zoom out, because that'll let us get in nice and close. I want to get closer. Let's get the microscope out. We have the tile in the microscope, and hopefully this is going to work well. This is the first time I've tried recording it this way. This is at the lowest magnification setting, and already we can see the difference here between the white paint method and the titanium dioxide method. This is so much darker, and let's get zoomed in and see what it looks like. I'm thinking we'll just zoom in over here somewhere where we can see the bottom of this 0 and the top of this 0. We can already see a difference. It's kind of obvious here that when this was burned, I was using a 90-degree burn angle, so it was burning up and down. Here I was using a 0-degree burn angle. It was burning left to right. Let's get zoomed in a little closer. Well, it turns out when I'm zoomed in this closely, I can't get down to the bottom of the tile. I'm going to have to turn this a little bit, and then we'll be able to see it. Hang on. Okay, we've got it turned sideways now, and we can see this is the white paint method. And this head looked pretty good until we zoomed in. Look how much fuller and darker this is. This is the pure titanium dioxide process. It is filled in between each of the laser burns. This just looks fantastic. I mean, this looks good far away, but close up, you can see there's gaps in between. It's not as solid. This titanium dioxide, side by side with the white paint method, certainly is far superior. We can see a red fiber that got caught on here. Probably from my shirt, actually. I'm wearing a red shirt, and I just wiped the tile dry quickly on my shirt. Not something that typically shows up with the naked eye, but under this microscope at 1,000 times magnification, certainly shows up very clearly. In the world of video cameras, I've gotten spoiled over how many years using an autofocus. On this microscope, I do have to manually focus as I move further away or get in closer. But yeah, we can see that red fiber here. Yeah, got it cleaned away now. Even at this magnification, we can see the difference, the clear difference between the white paint method and the titanium dioxide. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. It's just kind of doing titanium dioxide on a tile. It's nice to see the difference between the white paint method and the titanium dioxide. It's really night and day when you zoom in real tight on that. Again, thank you to everybody for watching the videos, encouraging me, subscribing, all of that sort of stuff. 5,000 subscribers. Never thought I'd get there. Anyway, we're there. It's fantastic. Enjoy doing your CNC at home projects.
Oops.